Alright everybody, I'm gonna show you my Halloween costume. Construction vest, because I'm gonna be like a construction or MTA worker or authorized worker this year. Since I built One City Place and in Minecraft that I built, you could watch that right now, which is Starlight Glimmer from My Little Pony. She built One City Place in Minecraft. You could watch it. Part 7 is today. But let's take a look at our unboxing. Here we have a safety vest, just like the real one. This is my Halloween costume. I hope it fits. Sorry about that. Here it is. Sorry about that. Here's a helmet. This is the adult size. Since I'm 15, let's see if it fits. This one is not the same, just like the Septa with the light. Let's open the hat. The best part is, when I was a kid, I played with popping thing or something. Let's see how it is. Too hard. Even the goggles. I'm not sure if, I mean safety goggles, yeah. They look like glasses. I'm wearing a hat. It looks good. Alright, now I'm going to wear the vest. The hammer is not included, just like in the picture. Although I don't have the mural, but I might have to do something else. Hey, Elinor. Let me see if I fit. Oops, it's stuck. Hold on. Alright, everybody, hold on. Let me see, this way goes here. It's stuck, hold on. Alright, here it is. I'm gonna show you one. I'm gonna go to that. Alright everybody, here's my Halloween costume and it fits. I'm a construction worker, plus I have my safety vest. I'm sorry, ignore the shirt. I can't find a blank one. It's a South Park shirt. I'm sorry about that. I don't want to get any copyrighted issues. Plus, I don't have a mural. This is me. Wearing my safety vest. This is my Halloween costume. Or you could prefer this, City of White Plains hat. Alright. That's it. Alright everybody, I hope you like my Halloween costume, right Fluttershy? Yes. Rarity. Yeah, Rainbow Dash, Elinor, and Luna. Alright, that'll be it. Okay, bye. Alright, Luna, thanks for a hug. Alright, everybody, that'll be it.